Today we are going to see about the living world. In that we are going to study about tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus was discovered in the year 1892 by Dmitry Ivansky, from tobacco plant. Virus infect healthy plant. The virus will infect healthy plant through vectors like aphids and locusts, like tobacco plant. The virus is infect the healthy plant through the vectors. The plant is affected by the vectors. Vectors means what? It is the carrier. Vectors means it is the carrier. So carrier like aphids and locusts. Aphids means it is a sap sucking insects. Okay, my aphids means it is sap sucking. Okay, my they are sap sucking insects. Because they are sap sucking insects, and locusts means it is commonly called as grasshopper. So this will affect the healthy tobacco plants. They will carry the diseases, and aphids and locusts will carry the diseases. So only it is called as what? Vectors. The first visible symptoms of TMV, that is a tobacco mosaic virus, is discoloration of the leaf. Discoloration. Discoloration of means the color is fading out. The color will fade out along the vein and show typical yellow and green molting, which is a mosaic symptoms. The downward curling, the leaf will roll downwards, and dissertation of the end apical leaf occurs. The plants become stunted and yield is affected. Structure of a tobacco mosaic virus. Electron microscopic studies have revealed that TMV is a rod-shaped organism. A helical virus with a molecular weight of 39 into 10 to the power of 6 Dalton. The viron is made up of two constituents, a protein coat called capsid and a core called nucleic acid. The protein coat is made up of identical protein subunits called capsomere, which are present around a central single stranded RNA molecule. The genetic information necessary for the formation of a complete tobacco mosaic virus particle is contained in its RNA. The RNA consists of 6,500 nucleotides. Bacteriophage. Virus infecting bacteria are called bacteriophage. It is literally means eaters of bacteria. Phages are abundant in soil, sewage water, fruits, vegetables, and milks. Structure of a T4 bacteriophage. The T4 phage is a tadpole shaped and consists of head, collar, tail, base plate, and fibers. The head is a hexagonal which consists of 200 identical protein subunits. The long helical tail consists of an inner tubular core which is connected to the head by a collar. There is a base plate attached to the end of the tail. The base plate contains 6 spikes and tail fibers. These fibers are used to attach the phage on the cell wall of bacterial host during replication. A double-stranded DNA molecule is tightly packed inside the head. The DNA is about 1,000 times longer than the page itself. Multiplication or life cycle of a page. The page multiplies through two different types of life cycle. A lytic cycle and the next one is lysogenic cycle. Lytic cycle. The lytic cycle is otherwise called as virulent cycle. During lytic cycle of a page, disintegration of the host bacteria cell occurs and the progeny of virion are released. Adsorption. Page T4 particle interact with cell wall of host. The page tail make contact between the two and tail fiber recognize the specific receptor sites present on the bacterial cell surface. The lipopolysaccharides of tail fibers act as a receptor in page. The process involving the recognition of page to bacterium is called landing. Once the contact is established between the tail fiber and the bacteria cell, tail fibers bend to anchor the pins and base plate to the cell surface. This step is called penning. Penetration. The penetration process involves mechanical and enzymatic digestion of the cell wall of the host. At the recognition site, page digests certain cell wall structure by viral enzyme. After pinning, the tail sheath contracts and appears shorter and thicker. After contraction of the base plate, enlarges through which DNA is injected into the cell wall without using metabolic energy. The step involving injection of DNA particle alone into the bacterial cell is called transfection. The empty protein coat living outside the cell is known as ghost. Synthesis. Synthesis means preparation. This step involves degradation of bacterial chromosome, protein synthesis and DNA replication. The page nucleic acid takes over the host biosynthetic machinery. Host DNA get inactivated. Inactivated means stopped and breaks down. Page DNA suppresses the synthesis of bacterial protein and directs the metabolism of cell to synthesize the protein of the page particle, and simultaneously replication of the page DNA also take place. Assembly and maturization. The DNA of the page and the protein coat are synthesized separately and are assembled to form page particles. The process of assembling the page particle is known as maturization. After 20 minutes of infection, about 300 new pages are assembled. Release. The page particle get accumulate inside the host cell and are released by the lysis of the host cell. Okay, ma? Lysis means after the death of the host cell. The next cycle is lysogenic cycle. It is otherwise called as avirulent life cycle. In lysogenic cycle, the page DNA get integrated into the host DNA and gets multiplied along with the nucleic acid of the host. No independent viral particle is formed. As soon as the page injects its linear DNA into the host cell, it becomes circular and integrate into the bacterial chromosome by recombination. The integrated page DNA is now called propage. The activity of the propage gene is repressed by two repressor proteins which are synthesized by page gene. This checks the synthesis of new page within the host cell. However, each time the bacterial cell divides, the propage multiplies along with the bacterial chromosome. On exposure to UV radiation and chemicals, the excision of page DNA may occur and results in lytic cycle.